Yes, good evening sports fans. Good evening mga kasurog. We are down to our third and final game of our triple header. Labanang Baaw versus Iriga. This is a battle of two promising teams, lalong-lalo na yung itong powerhouse team na Iriga. Again, the name is John Bachiller. With me is Coach...
Yes, I'm Coach Paul Sepe. Hello partner, welcome again to our third game. Will be a head-to-head battle between these two very good team, Iriga and Baaw.
Yes, yung Baaw naman, alam natin, up and rising Baaw talaga against this powerhouse Iriga team. Pero we'll see, alam naman natin, hindi basta-basta magpapatalo ang mga taga-Baaw. And especially, alam naman natin, ayun na, with the first crack at the basket, si Perea gives the ball to Raton, kicks it out to Dagi Uleya, swings the ball to Perea, Perea for 3. No good rebound. Ayan na, partner ang aking one of the noticeable players na si Rito, kumbaga young and promising big man ng Baaw. And a turnover was forced. Ayan na first 2 points of the basket galing kay Jason Orada. 2-0 on the part of Team Iriga.
Yes, partner, this is also a notable player. Jason Orada play for Camsor Express in Iriga City, Oragon. So makikita natin kung ano ang papakita niya this game.
Yes, partner, tama. Yun na nga, ay veteran of so many wars. And yan, nakakuha ng turnover ang Team Iriga and bola mapupunta sa mga taga-Baaw. And partner pala, Team Iriga is donning the white and blue jerseys and yung taga-Baaw naman is the orange and light jerseys. Ayan na si Perea against Kenneth Haugan, scoring for 2. As early as now, 4-0, lamang ang Team Iriga.
So ngayon, partner, kung makikita natin, Iriga is the more aggressive team than Baaw.
Ayan na, partner, ang strong and athletic na si Tenedero scoring over Jason Orada. This will be a great matchup kay Tenedero and si Jason Orada. Battle of the two power forwards here sa ating liga. As we take a look, si Dagi Uleya misses the 3-pointer. Alam naman natin to si Dagi Uleya is a streak shooter talaga. Once he pile up is shooting at the outside, talagang tuloy-tuloy na yan.
So kaya nga siya tinawag na the Dagger kasi yun ang moniker niya. Very athletic and shooter din talaga.
Yes, partner, pero this time, sabi niya, hindi ako nakakuha ng aking first crack sa 3 points kaya inatake na lang. Ayan si Ambert Hermoso, gives the ball to Perea against Rito again for 2. Grabe, partner. Ayan na si Napay, gives the ball to Taugan. Fakes, gives the ball to Pera. Nabitawan ng bola. Good defense on the part of Dagi Uleya. Yun ang partner, early timeout on the part of Team Baaw. Siguro nakakita sila ng medyo problema. So talagang kailangan nila baguhin ang sistema.
Yes, for us coaches, partner, pag ayaw na nagdo-double digit yung lead. So pag ganyan, tawag kagad ng timeout, talk things over kung ano man yung mga lapses and mag-adjust na kung ano man yung dapat adjustan.
Tama, partner. Kumbaga yung pinapractice natin, dito natin i-apply talaga. So minor adjustments lang naman or instructions ibibigay ng mga coaches natin.
Yes, and all so far, ngayon sa nakikita natin, medyo na-excite yung Team Baaw. So, di ko alam kung excited or medyo may konting kaba kasi sabi mo nga kanina, itong Iriga is a powerhouse team.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga ako na, sasabihin ko na excited at the same time kabado talaga because alam naman natin pag kalaban mo ang Team Iriga talagang kailangan 1 foot forward o talagang very, very impressive dapat yung mga stats mo. And syempre, to overpower this kind of team talaga. And ayan na, partner, speaking of overpower, ayan na, si Jason Raton. Talagang powering his way for 2.
So masasabi natin this is a battle of young guns and experienced players.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na, si Rito misses the 3-pointer. Ayan na si Taugan. Tawag dyan namin ni Coach Peter talaga, high-flying Taugan talaga.
Yes.
Ayan na si Dagi for 3. Kaboom! Kaya ang 3 points na yan, natin sa'yo na Mississippi Bay, Cagraray Islands. Yun ang partner, as early as first quarter, talagang pumupukol na kagad si Dagi. And again, back-to-back misses on the part of Kenneth Taugan. Ayan na si Pera, naagaw ang bola. Binigay kay Rito. Rito against Urada. Bumping, ayan na. Dalawang mama. Nagbabanggaan, partner. Grabe, partner. Dinig ko dito yung banggaan ng dalawang big man. Kumbaga, this will be a good matchup again, Rito versus Urada.
You know, partner, this matchup is from Shepherdville. Si Rito naging player din ng Shepherdville
talaga?
Rams yan, and si Orada is the senior player, mas senior eh.
Ay talaga, sabi niya, wala na tayo dito. Kaya ibang hindi na sa Shepherdville to. So kailangan natin magpakita rito pareho.
Yeah, so alam nila kung paano laruin yung bawat isa.
Yes, partner, kita mo naman yung build nitong si Rito, talagang power din. And lalong-lalo na ito si Jason Orada na talagang he is built like a wall.
Well, we call him the tank.
Kita mo naman talaga,
Yun
tama
ang
lang.
tawag namin sa kanya back
Oo.
in the Oragon days.
Yes, tama. Ayan na. Yan si Hermoso swings the ball to Pereira. Pereira kicks it out to Ambert Hermoso. Corner 3. Kaboom!
Well, Humbert Hermoso, isa din sa talagang veteran point guard coming from, naglaro na to sa Adamson and also sa Ateneo Golden Knights during his heydays.
Yung partner, another good matchup ding Raton versus Tenedero. Talaga, banging bodies talaga. Sabi ko nga, tama ka, partner. This will be a good matchup again, lalo na lang sa mga bigs natin.
Yes, grabe yung banggaan. Rinig na rinig talaga natin dito.
Kaya pakaabangan natin, hindi pa nga gumagawa itong high-flying act na si Kenneth Taugan. Kaya abangan natin, this will be a good matchup for sure. Ayan na si Napay. Ayan na, Rito. May pick galing kay Tenedero. Tenedero with a tip in. Mintis. Nakuha ni Dagi Ulea. Outlets. Nakuha ni Joshua Napay. Napay. For 3. Kaboom! Ayan na nga, partner. That 3-point is brought to you by Hotel Venecia. And ayan na. The score is 6-16. Lamang ang Iriga City.
Pero unti-unti nang napipick up ng Bao yung kanilang momentum dito.
Yes, partner. Ayan na. A miss from Dagi Ulea. And natapik ang bola ni Ambert pero papunta sa labas. Ang bola mapupunta sa mga taga-Bao. And completing the Bao is si Tenedero, Taugan, Rito, Pera, and Napay. And on the other hand is Raton, Orada, Olea, Pereira, and Humbert Hermoso completing the 5 for Team Iriga. And again, Kenneth Taugan with the 3. Kaboom! Ayan, partner. Maganda na talaga
ayan
ang
nga.
flow ng offense ng Bao.
So maganda yung time out doon ni Coach Romulus Torlansana, no. Nakita niya kung ano yung i-adjust niya dapat.
Tama. Ayan na. Si Jason Orada powering his way for the rebound. Grabe, partner talaga itong mamang ito. Talagang I've seen him play sa PSL ata.
Yes.
Oo, for another team, not a Bicol team. Pero that goes to show talaga yung experience kasi nakikita siya. Hindi lang dito sa ating region kundi sa ibang lugar.
Yes, and also naglaro din kasi ito sa Pats.
Okay. So talagang
sa
very...
Varsitarian also in Manila. So yung mga kalaban niya doon talagang medyo in the highest level. So nakikita natin nagre-resiliate yan dito sa natin.
Yes, partner. Yan naman talaga ang purpose natin is to showcase yung mga talents na talagang meron kung anong mga taga-Camarines Sur. And especially yung mga scouts na nanonood talaga sa atin. Yun ang importante, mga scouts from grassroots level papunta sa mga higher leagues dito sa ating lugar.
Yes, partner. So yun ang kagandahan ng Ako Bicol Cup.
Ayan na, a new guy, number 14, na si Cruz Ivan Paul. For Team Iriga, ayan na si Raton. At the post against Tenedero. Jason Orada, fall away against Rito for 2. Partner palang, laban ng JR Quinyan at Bo Belga. Ang meron tayo dito. Ayan na si Napay. Rito, top of the key, 3 fakes. Ayan na si Napay. Napay, may pick galing. Ayan na si Napay. Sayang ng pasa, na-intercept. Orada. rushing. Layup in and out. Naku po. A sorry miss on the part of Jason Orada. Ayan na si Taugan, Kenneth. Waiting for his teammates. Ayan na si Rito. Binigay ang bola. Rito against Raton. Ayan na partner. Pound for pound. Good move but a sorry miss. Sayang partner talaga.
Sayang.
Sayang.
Ang
Good.
gandang galaw sana sa poste no ni
Yes,
Rito.
partner. Just the finish. Yung wala lang talaga. Pero partner, grabe pa rin talaga yung banggaan sa ilalim. Ayan na, a substitution. Number 30 guy from Bao, si Soriano coming in. Pinalitan si Pera Harvey. And I guess this is another guest player
Yes, guest player
for
to si
Team Bao.
Ito si Soriano, makasabayan nito sila Jeff Comia ng MPBL.
Ay, grabe, partner. Oh, very noticeable yun si Jeff Comia. He is hari ng mga ligang labas.
Yes.
And syempre,
Kasi
other
mga-
league sa Manila.
Kasi mga naglaro din yan dito sa Rinconada during the day.
Ayan na, partner. Si Teñedero flies and scores for 2. And 1 plus the foul. Grabe, partner, itong Teñedero talaga. When he's in the open court, talagang alam nyo na na isusubo at isusubo sa ring ang bola.
Grabe din yung build ng Tinidero.
Oo,
Kung
partner.
sa Iriga may datang, may isa din
Eh,
tank
pa-
ito sa
tama.
Baaw.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ito yung sinasabi natin, yung build nila. Ayan, partner, as you take a look, some fans na pumupunta sa atin dito sa loob ng venue. Maraming salamat sa suporta. And ayan na, another adjustment or substitution on the part of Ray Ariola. Coach Ray putting up a veteran, very solid veteran, Jomar Punsalan. Siguro to prevent the streaking big man ng Team Baaw.
Yan. So, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ni Jomar.
Yes. Pereira against Taugan. Given the pick by Jomar Punsalan. Ayan na. Oleya gives the ball to Cruz. Cruz uses the board, misses the shot. Ayan na. Jomar Punsalan with offensive rebound. Ayan na, si Rito. Defended. Si Orada. Grabe, partner, talaga yung hustle and presses ng Jason Orada pagdating sa ilalim.
Jason Orada will not give up on you kahit ano pang gawin mo. Sabi natin, yung tangke is nagtatrabaho na.
Yes, partner, as early as now, as 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining, di ko na mabilang kung ilan offensive rebounds na binigay ni Jason Orada. He also played pala, partner, in Ako Bicol Cup Albay Leg.
Yes.
He serves an import doon for Ligao City.
Yes.
And one of the Dark Horses team doon, muntik nang makapasok sa second round because of this guy, Jason Orada. And partner, another substitution. The split fire guard na si Jock Bellarmino pinasok na. Pinalitan si Dagi Oleya. Expect a run and gun pressure type of ball game. Ayan na. Si Teñedero again attacking the defense of Jason Orada for 2.
Banggaan ng dalawang tangke doon. So, talaga, ito yung magandang ginagawa din ng Baaw ngayon. So, they are pushing the ball.
Yes, partner, tama. Ayan na si Oleya. Pereira, AJ Pereira, I guess, with the teardrop. Napapansin ko, partner, that's his favorite Arsenal, partner.
Yes.
Yung kanyang teardrop. Sa height niyang matangkad and then nagti-teardrop pa talaga. He is mahirap i-defend. Ang ganung mga tira. Ayan na si Rito. Taking his act outside. Grabe, partner. A big man with a soft touch.
May shooting touch din pala to si Rito. So,
I guess, partner, sa edad, ilan na kaya edad ni Rito? I guess bata pa to.
napakabata pa niyan, partner. Siguro, if I'm not mistaken, nasa 22 to 23 years
Ay,
old
Diyos
pa
ko
lang.
po, napakabata pa. Kumbaga, he is a promising star dito sa ating region.
So, kung makikita mo, yun ang dapat niyang gawin kay Jomar. Ilabas niya si Jomar. Kung kaya niyang tirahan sa labas, yun ang gawin niya.
Tama, partner. Ayan na. Taugan, ginugulo ni Cruz. Ayan na si Taugan, given the pick by Soriano. And Taugan, humingi ng isolation. Taugan, step back 3. Misses the shot. And out of bounds, mapupunta sa team Iriga. And we have a report galing sa ating magandang courtside reporter na si Cassandra. Cassandra, good evening.
Magandang gabi mga kasurog. Muli ako si Cassandra Seto ng inyong makakasama ngayong gabi at maghahatid ng mga balita at kaganapan mula sa courtside dito lamang sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. For our third and last game tonight, we have a Team Iriga versus Team Baaw. Parehong team ang kasalukuyang nangunguna sa team standing sa ikalimang distrikto. Kaya naman abangan natin ang pasiklaban ng dalawang teams ngayong gabi kung saan ipapakita nila ang kanilang talento sa larangan ng basketball. Ayon sa mga coaches ng parehong grupo, kailangan nilang gawin ang lahat ng kanilang makakaya. May dapat pa silang patunayan kaya kailangan nilang magpatuloy at gawin kung ano ang tama sa loob ng hardcourt. Yan muna ang latest sa Back to the Panel.
Maraming salamat, Cassandra, sa latest update na binigay mo. And then yun na nga, partner, kailangan daw magpatuloy lang na magpatuloy. Dahil talaga this game is talaga going to be an exciting ball game. Ayan na, binawi kaagad na paboritong Arsenal ni AJ Perea, isang floater. Ayan na, a turnover again. Sayang, partner, kung sayang, lumalapit na.
Yes.
Sana yung team Baaw, pero ayan na. Jason Orada is called for steps. Talaga, nanggigil siya at sinaraduan din ang pinto ni Rito and ni Tenedero.
Yes, ito din kasing Baaw, medyo nagmamadali partner na bumawi. Sana stick to the system pa rin sila.
Yes, what is the call yan, partner? Nagaganda ang ating mga fans sa ating venue. Magandang gabi po, madam. A personal foul is called on Ivan Paul Cruz. And nasa penalty situation na kaagad ang Iriga. Partner, kumbaga this is a good sign para sa Team Baaw kasi he is scoring. And lalong-lalo na para kay Kenneth Taugan who is struggling again on the floor. Dito niya kukunin yung kumpiyansa niya for sure.
For sure yan. Alam naman ito natin si Kenneth. This player is talagang pukpuk kung pukpuk to. Hindi to tumitigil kahit anong mangyari.
Yes, partner. I heard he is a product of University of Nueva Cáceres or currently ba he is playing sa UNC?
He's currently playing for UNC Greyhounds. So talagang kondisyon na kondisyon din tong bata.
And narinig ko, yeah, he is one of the star players then or notable players doon sa UNC Greyhounds.
They call him Air Taugan.
Oo, Air Taugan. Ayan na, si AJ Perea.
Ang ganda ng mga dukot ni AJ. So yan ang favorite move dyan ni AJ Perea. Once na nakapasok siya sa paint na yan, for sure iti-teared up niya yan.
Kaya na, partner, kita mo naman kung paano kita. Ayan na, si Tenedero na pinaul ni Joke na parang walang nangyari lang. Ayan, partner, talagang both teams are nandun sa kanilang mga benches. Talagang sincere na nagbibigay ng mga instructions kasi our game is very tight and close as early as first quarter.
Yes. So tingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustment ng Baaw and ng Iriga kasi unti-unti nang lumalapit yung Baaw.
Yes, ayan na, a new guy from Baaw, number 4 na si Francis Consulta to give a rest para sa agile na si Rito because of his minutes kanina. Ayan na, possession will go to Iriga and Jock Villarmino crosses the half-court line. Swings the ball to AJ Perea. AJ Perea. Jomar Ponsalan, humingi sa post, di nabigyan. Ayan na, Perea swings the ball to Cruz. Jock Villarmino attacks with a floater. No good, Teñedero is rushing. Ayan na, si Teñedero. Teñedero nagmamadali. Uwata, layup partner, grabe. High flying Teñedero with the lefty layup partner, grabe. Coast to coast after a rebound.
Parang hinati niya yung court doon eh.
Yes, partner, for sure. Makakapasok yun sa ating top 10 plays of the week. Ayan na, Jock Villarmino. Nabitawan ng bola pero nakakuha ng foul. Grabe, partner. Hindi pa rin ako makaget over doon sa coast to coast na pinakita ni Teñedero.
Talagang pag-rebound niya, nasa isip niya, akin na to, dire-diretso.
Again, there's no stopping Teñedero sa ganung fast break.
Wala. Kung ganun lang naman kabilis ang tangke, talagang tatabi na ako.
Opo, tama talaga. And then, ayan na si Jock with his first free throw. Pasok yan. And again, if you are free, nasa first quarter pa lang naman po tayo, punta kayo dito sa napakagandang Iriga Sports Complex. And you can watch the games. It's between Baaw and Iriga. Kaya tingnan natin. This will going to be, I guess, down the wire.
Yes, this is a very exciting ball game. So, napakalapit lang ng lamang.
Yes, partner, a new guy from Baaw, si number 91, si Atienza, Chris Kidwell, pinasok. I guess he's familiar. I guess he played for Manila na siguro. Or sa Bicol Volcanoes. I guess, alam ko, nakita ko siya as practice player siguro.
Yes.
Ayan na, si Soriano with the medium range jumper. Grabe, napakaswabe ng tira yung partner. Na partner, with 20 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Ayan na, handoff ni AJ Perea kay Jock Villarmino. May pick galing kay Orada. Dagi Ulea, corner 3. Tinamaan ng butike, ayun na. Si Taugan, nangunguna. Taugan with a free throw jumper. Makes it. And that ends our first quarter with the high-scoring ball game of 25-27. Partner, thoughts on the first quarter, Coach?
Partner, slow pick up yung Baaw pero they manage to go back in this first quarter, so kaya ganyan na naging resulta. So kanina tumatakbo yung Iriga late ng first quarter, sila naman. So will be a head-to-head ball game, this third match-up natin ng Iriga and Baaw.
Yes, partner, tama ka kanina. Adjustments for adjustments. Kanina kasi naglo-lord over yung mga bigs ng Baaw. So pinasok si Jomar Ponsalan. And then nag-adjust din yung kalaban. Pinasok yung mga guards. Kaya tumakbo ng tumakbo.
Yes.
And kumbaga, this guy kasi si Teñidero is a force to reckon with sa loob. And syempre pag nakakuha ng offensive rebound, he can play coast to coast and shoot the ball at his high level.
Yes, very deadly siya kasi sa open court. So wala talagang makaka-stop dyan.
Yes,
Kasi
partner,
with his
tama.
build and with his athleticism.
Yes, and plus the speed, partner,
Yes.
pababa ng bola. Yun ang partner. Kaya partner, this will be for sure an exciting ball game.
So, mabuti na nakita nung coach ng Baaw.
Yes,
No?
tama.
Pagpasok ni Jomar, talagang tatakbuhan natin to.
Yes, credit to Coach Romulus Rolensana for the adjustment para sa Team Baaw. And syempre, hindi natin count out yung mga score na nakuha natin kay especially si Andre Ritos, talagang pounding his way inside the paint.
Yes. Yan, grabe yung mga highlights ito ni Teñidero.
And we are back sa ating second quarter. Ayan, as we can see, ang butihing mayor ng Iriga City na si Rex Oliva watching, and si Councilor
Melnan Moralio.
Elan Mornalio.
Consi.
Yes, Consi and Mayor, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Salamat ng marami sa pagsuporta sa Ako Bicol Cup, especially dito pag held ng game sa Iriga City
Yes.
Sports Complex.
Napakagandang venue.
Yes, napaganda. State of the art. Ayan na si Jock Belarmino. Swings the ball to Dagi Ulea. Jock open for 3. Challenge by Soriano. Kaboom! Ayan na pa.
Mahirap talagang bantayan from strong side to weak side.
Ayan na si Vinculado. Makes his first shot. Ayan na, partner. Para sa ating mga leading scorer sa Baaw, si AJ Perea with 10 points and si Dagi Ulea with 8 points. Another part of Baaw pala.
Yes, we have number 6 Teñidero with 10 and Taugan with 3 points.
Yun, partner. Slow start pa rin kay Taugan talaga, pero siyan, nandun si Teñidero to the rescue para sa team Baaw. Ayan na, partner. Meron ba tayong adjustments talaga? Pinasok na rin yung si Vinculado coming off the bench para sa Baaw. One of the kumbaga hustle guys, si Vinculado, and expect to be a battle laban kay AJ Perea. Ayan na si Dagi Ulea with a corner 3. Mintes nakuha ni Anastasio pero natapik. Ayan na si Atanasio, binabantayan si Cruz. AJ Perea swings the ball to Cruz. Dagi Ulea swings the ball to Jock. Jock for 3. Grabe, beating the buzzer. 3 yun, partner.
Grabe, that was a bailout shot
Yes,
coming
partner.
from Jock Belarmino.
Sayang, good defense on the part. Kaso yung last second lang, nag-collapse lang, nalibre si Jock. Ayan na, si Consulta against Orada. Ayan na, Soriano again. Elbow jumper. Misses the shot. Ayan na, good boxing out on the part of Jock Belarmino. Ayan na si Consulta. What a pass kay Soriano, partner. Pero partner, talagang hindi nalalayo ang team Baaw dito. Talagang they are diving for the loose balls. Lalong-lalo na yung mga 50-50 balls.
Yeah, 50-50 balls. That's a good adjustments for Baaw. Talaga dapat kunin nila yan.
And a partner, Dagi Ulea, missing again the 3. Ayan na si Atanasio, nagmamadali. Atanasio streaking, gives the ball to number, ayan na si number 8 na si Vinculado. Sayang, partner, a turnover on the part of Atanasio. Ayan na, partner, another substitution. Binalik ulit si Ambert Hermoso over kay Cruz, and to provide steady leadership inside the court for Team Iriga.
So ayan na, now Baaw in a 1-2-2 defensive setup.
Yes. Kasi kanina pa sila binubutas ng 3 points. Ayan na si Jock again. Fakes. Ambert swings the 3-point shot para kay Jason Orada. Unusual na tira ni Jason Orada pero mintis ang tira. Ayan na. Again, Atanasio gives the ball to Soriano. Gives the ball to Rito. Misses the shot. Andre Rito. Offensive rebound de Tenedero. Soriano for 3. Kaboom! Ayan ang partner. I'm sensing medyo may sense of urgency dito sa ating venue kasi nakikita nila this is the first time, first game of Team Iriga na talaga nakakadikit ang
Yes.
kalaban nila as early as first half.
So titingnan natin how they react to this kind of situation,
Yes,
partner.
partner. Kasi minsan talaga sa super ganitong mga powerhouse teams, hindi sanay sila na nadidikitan. Pero tingnan natin kung anong mga adjustment as we take a look. Si Atanasio with the long 3. Misses the shot. Jock Bellarmino grabs the rebound. Jock sizing the defense. Stops, pops for 3. No good. Rebound by Rito. Rito collaring the rebound. Grabe partner, ang laking mama din ito. As early as young as his age, talagang nakikipagbakbakan na siya. Vinculado. Crosses over to Atanasio. Atanasio for 3. Kaboom! And now, the lead swings to Baao, I guess.
Yes,
Partner, this is the first lead talaga ng Team Baao sa larong ito. Ayan na, Uleya gives the ball to Perea with a medium range jumper. Mintis, nakakuha ni Vinculado ang bola. Ayan na partner, Atanasio waiting for his teammates. Looking to Vinculado. Vinculado gives the ball. Another turnover. Sana. Ayan na si Soriano with the follow-away jumper. Grabe yun partner, pasok yan. Ayan partner, talagang the fans, much to the delight of the fans ng Baao talaga, cheering them kasi they're up by 4.
Yes, partner. And also, for Team Iriga, this is the first time in this tournament na nalamangan
Yes,
sila.
tama ka dyan. Good observation partner. Tama ka dyan. This is the first time na nalamangan sila. And I guess, siguro tingnan natin ang adjustments. Si Coach Ray naman talaga is a veteran coach. So talagang alam naman nila kung anong mga gagawing adjustment. Ayan na si Jock Bellarmino. Ayan na Bellarmino with the layup. A much needed score para to break the silence para sa Team Baao. Ayan na Soriano against Jock Teñedero with a spin, the foul, the hoop, and the harm for Teñedero. Grabe partner. With the spin, ulitin niya na sigurado for sure. Ayan ang partner, good pass, the spin, the hoop, and the harm partner. Grabe naman yan. Grabe yun partner. Ganda.
Gandang galaw coming from Tenedero, the guest player. So grabe yung control niya, partner, na the upper body strength.
Yun lang talaga.
Grabe.
Partner, the pivot, the upper body strength, and the finish partner.
Yes, na finish.
Grabe naman yan. Ayan si Coach Ray. Very animated Coach
Yes.
Ray talaga.
Knowing Coach Ray talagang ganyan yan.
Yes, kumbaga, bawal ang mahihina ang loob.
Yes.
Bawal talagang. Kumbaga si Coach Ray talaga very animated. I've seen him coach sa Albay. Nakita ko siya nung naglaro yung Team Kamsur doon sa isang liga sa amin doon. And talaga he is very animated talaga. He is there to protect his players talaga
Yes.
all the way.
Yes. And also with this kind of situation na first time nila, hindi lang sa larong ito, but in this tournament na nalamangan sila. Let's see on how these players react dito sa larong ito.
Yes, partner. Ayan na si Teñedero with his bonus free throw. Misses the bonus free throw. Ayan na, partner. Adjustments. Pinasok si Raton. Kasi talagang nananalasa na itong si Teñedero. Ayan na si Vinculado. Swings the ball to Ambert. Raton swings the ball. Good ball movement on the part of Iriga. Yun naman, partner talaga.
Ang gandang ball movement.
Breaking the ice, partner. Ganon ka-cool and calm itong Team Iriga talaga. Never nararattle. Ayan na si Soriano again. Open for 3. Challenge by Raton. Misses the shot. Teñedero against Dagi. Ayan na. Swings the ball to Napay. Napay fakes. Ayan na si Dagi Uleya. Naagaw ang bola. Vinculado against Jock Bellarmino for 2. Ayan na, partner. Iriga regains the lead, partner.
Yes. So yun nga, sabi natin, the more the compose yung players, the more na experience talaga, babalik at babalik yan. So tingnan natin naman kung ano magiging adjustments ng Team Bao.
Yan, tama ka. The more the composure, the more the adjustments, the more the veteran players, and especially the coaches
Yes, partner.
of Team Iriga. So tingnan natin kung ano i-counter ng Team Bao. For sure, marami din silang baon dyan. And marami tayo, especially during their practices. And ayan, as you can see, some pretty faces watching our venue. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, Madam. Ayan, si Madam may hawak na mini electric fan, sabay kaway kay Coach Paul. Hi daw, sabi ni Coach Paul. And sabi ng mga cameraman natin, magandang gabi daw sa inyo.
So people are starting to file up na
Yes,
dito sa
tama.
ating venue. So again po, second quarter pa lang, punta na kayo dito sa Iriga City Sports Complex.
Yes, ayan na si Napay against Hermoso. Hermoso guarded heavily. Si Napay, ayan na si Napay. Rito, hands it off to Napay. Ayan na, Napay. With the pocket pass, sayang, turnover, kaso nakuha ni Teñedero ang bola. Ayan na, Teñedero gives the ball to Rito. Easy 2 for Rito. Ayan na, partner, ha. Up and down type of basketball, palitan ng lamang. Ayan na, Dagi Ulea against Napay. Ambert for 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Jason Orada. Blocked by Teñedero. But there is a foul na nakita ng ating mga game officials. I guess that is the first personal foul of Teñedero, partner. Grabe, partner, with 3 minutes. First personal foul pa lang.
Yeah, second quarter na siya
Second
nagkaroon ng foul. So
Yes, partner.
talagang mahaba-habang ilalagay nito ni
Yes,
Teñedero sa loob ng court.
And that goes to show talaga on how he played defense against this big and talented front court ng Team Iriga.
Medyo na-late pa nga siya doon. Kung hindi siya na-late doon, for sure
Oo.
defensive rebound na naman.
Tama, and nasapal niya ng tuluyan ng malinis yun. And I guess good foul on the part of
Yeah.
Teñedero kasi
Hindi na.
Jason Orada misses the first free throw. And syempre, ayun na nga, yung second free throw, tingnan natin kung may papasok. I guess, pasok yan, second free throw. And partner, the score is 41 all. Deadlock tayo, partner. I guess this is the second deadlock of our ball game. Ayan na si Napay, gives the ball to Soriano. Ayan na. Taugan. Sayang, partner. Medyo nang gigil. Nakita niya may sumabaliit yung tao sa kanya. He uses his shoulder
Yes.
para kaldagin itong si Jock Bellarmino.
And good thing for Jock Bellarmino, good positioning in the paint.
Tama, and good acting job ng Conte, partner.
May
to
konting
sell,
sigaw eh.
to sell the call to the referees. And minsan kailangan naman natin yung coach
Yes.
talaga. Ayan na, Jock Bellarmino against Taugan. Swings to Perea. Ayan na, si Ambert for 3. Kaboom! Yun na, partner. Much needed 3 talaga doon. Kasi si Ambert is struggling as early as now.
Yes.
Pero ayan na, Kenny Taugan humingi ng isolation against Jock Bellarmino. Taugan with the 3. No good. Nakuha ang bola ni Ambert. Outlets to Jason Orada. Orada flies but misses the point blank range. Yun na nga. Good defense on the part of Taugan, distracting the shot. Ayan na si Vinculado. Challenging. Ayan na, partner, si Raton. But there is Andre Rito to collect the garbage for 2. Sayang, partner, talaga. It's always fun to watch Rito and Jason Orada when battling inside the court.
Yes. Ang ganda na sana ng first bump ni Rito doon. Inaabot
Tama,
pa ng
tama.
kamay.
Oo. Sayang, partner, naglabanan yung magkuya and alumni of Shepherdville. Partner, that goes to show kung anong merong programa ang school na yun talaga, partner. I've heard na talagang yung school na yun is talagang maraming na-produce ng mga players dito sa Camarines Sur.
Speaking of the produce, one of them is Boss Carepa.
Kita
Is
mo yan pala.
coming from Shepherdville
Yes,
Rams.
partner. I've heard si Boss Carepa or si Jerome Martinez.
Yeah, Jerome Martinez.
He played in NCAA sa
Yes.
Manila. Grabe, partner. Kita mo naman, ayan na si Taugan again against Jock Bellarmino. This time, hindi na tawagan offensive rebound. Ayan na naman, collecting the garbage is Rito. Grabe, partner, talaga. Itong batang ito. And, ayan na, partner, sana hindi na tawagan offensive foul. Si Rito again, crashing the boards. Jason Orada with a slightly bump, pero natawagan ng foul.
Bawi-bawian lang to, kuya.
Yan na, kuya,
Yung sabi ni Rito.
Naisahan mo ako kanina, kuya. Ngayon, babawian kita. And partner, ang nagagandahang mga fans para sa Team Bao. Kumbaga sila ang nagiging sixth man ng Bao dito.
Yes.
Despite the home court advantage ng Iriga.
So So again, balikan natin yung last sequence na yon. Kanina, offensive foul na sell ni Joke. Ngayon naman, nakita kasi natin partner, medyo nakatagilid siya. So hindi tinawagan talaga.
And hindi siya sumigaw.
Yes, walang sigaw eh.
Ayan na, Dagi Olea at the top of the key three. Kaboom!
Ilista mo na for Dagger.
Ayan na si Taugan, challenges. Raton misses the shot. Ayan na, Ambert Hermoso collects the rebound. Ayan na, Dagi Olea again stops. Pops for three. Kaboom! Back-to-back race for Dagi Olea. And partner, meron tayong update sa ating reporter para sa assistant coach ng Team Iriga. Cassandra, take it away.
Hi coaches from the panel. Ngayon, nagkaroon tayo ng chance na makausap ang isa sa coaching staffs ng Team Iriga. Coach, magandang gabi po. Kumusta po kayo?
Mabuti naman.
Ayan, Coach, considering the score difference from your team's opponent, ano ba ang dapat gawin ng inyong team upang maging consistent ang lamang ngayon na nakikita natin na humahabol talaga ang Team Baaw?
Ang magandang gawin ngayon ng Team Iriga ay mag-focus sila sa more on defense para hindi makahabol ang kalaban at ma-maintain yung lamang ng Team Iriga.
Ayan, Coach, we are live po. Baka may gusto kayong batiin o message na gustong ipahatid sa ating nanonood. Go ahead po.
Sa lahat po ng nanonood ng Ako Bicol, dito po sa Iriga, welcome po kayo. Sa team namin ng Iriga, sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng Ako Bicol, sana suportahan niyo po kami ng Team Iriga manalo ngayon. At hindi lang ngayon sa susunod pang mga laro. Sa aming magiting at mabait na mayor na si Mayor Rexy Oliva at ang kanilang Vice Mayor Edgel Mewat at ang kagawad. Sila po ay tumutulong para sa amin. Good evening at sa asawa kong nasa malayo. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much, Coach, and good luck po to your team. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat sa assistant coach ng Team Iriga. Yun na nga, partner, meron tayong timeout. And then sabi ni assistant coach sa Iriga, we should focus on defense talaga para at least ma-maintain daw yung kalamangan na pre-preserve ng mga taga-Iriga.
Yun naman talaga partner dapat. Defense first, second na lang yung offense kasi alam naman natin na lahat naman sa Team Iriga kayang umiscore eh. Pero di natin alam kung lahat kayang dumefend. So
Yeah.
pero yun dapat nilang fokusan.
Yes, partner, speaking of defense, kanina nakanakaw o nakalusot si Ambert Hermoso and will troop to the line because nung nag-layup siya, nakakuha pa siya ng foul. Kaya talagang yun na nga, yung defense talaga ang kailangan. And defense talaga wins ball game.
Yes, partner. So ito naman dapat kailangan adjustan siguro nitong Team Baaw. So they have to defend well kasi kanina they are focusing more on offense kasi kaya nga sila nasa ganitong sitwasyon kasi grabe yung offense nila and also grabe din yung defensive stops nila. So dapat ibalik nila yon.
Yes, partner, ayan na. With with the 2 3-pointers si Dagi Olea and another 3-point play ni Ambert Hermoso. Medyo lumobo ulit yung kalamangan sa 8 ng mga taga-Iriga. Ayan na si Tanyadero. Humihingi ng isolation kay Dagi Olea with a crossover. Grabe yung partner, kaso nahuli lang. Na traveling partner, sayang pero magandang crossover pa rin ang pinakita ni Tanyadero over Dagi Olea.
Sayang yon. Nahuli yung extra step niya.
Yes, partner, tama, nahuli. Yan ang partner, yung guards completing the Iriga is Hermoso, Belarmino, Raton, Olea, and Perea. And on the part of Baaw, yan ang partner, si AJ Perea with his patented floater. Ayan na, binkulado ahead to Taugan. Taugan steps on the line para sa baseline. Sayang partner. It's a close game kanina pero ngayon, tingnan natin, Iriga has maintained a 10-point lead.
Yes nga, because of that, sabi nga no assistant coach, because of that defense.
Yes, partner, tama. Ayan na, Hermoso. And then, credit also to the good and leadership na pinakita ni Ambert Hermoso. Ayan na, partner, the patented floater, teardrop ni AJ Perea. Sayang, partner, medyo nagluwag lang sa depensa ang mga taga-Baaw nung linabas si Soriano. And, yun na, nakascore na. Nasunod-sunod, ayan na si number. And meron tayong and yun na nga, partner, At the end of our first half, the score is 47-59. Lamang pa rin. Nakaregain ng composure ang
Yes.
Team Iriga.
Yes, partner. So, gano'n nga yung nangyari. Coming from that first quarter, yung Iriga, maganda yung pinakita nilang depensa. So, that resulted to this kind of lead. And also, for Baaw naman, kailangan nila ibalik yung magandang depensa nila during your first quarter and first minutes of the second quarter. So, kaya sila nakalapit-lapit. So, tingnan natin ang magiging adjustments itong both teams natin coming into the second half.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Good observation, partner. And syempre, kudos to Coach Ray for adjusting those types of situation. Alam naman natin kanina na medyo nakadikit at lumamang pa yung Team Baaw. Pero for sure, babalik din tong Team Baaw and will give us good quality second half. Sigurado yan.
Yan nga, partner. Yun ang tinatanong natin doon kanina kung how they will react on that situation. The Team Iriga na first time malamangan sa buong tournament.
Yes, partner.
So, and
Partner.
kudos din sa ginawa ng Team Baaw for that.
Tama ka dun, partner. Medyo napapangiti na lang ako, partner. This is our day 26, partner. Mind you, day 26. And this is the first time na nalalamangan ang Team Iriga. Ganun kalakas at ganun ka-powerful ang team na to.
Yes, partner. So, siguro, sabi ng mga players sa Baaw, laruin natin to, mag-enjoy tayo. So, kaya sila siguro nakalamang ng ganun. And for Team Iriga naman, with the animated Coach Ray Elaula, alam naman natin yan. Pag sinigawan ka na yan, mag-react ka na. So,
Partner, kasi talagang, I guess, di ko siya kilala personally, but I guess iyan yung mga leading scorers natin para dito sa Team Baaw. Si Rito, in a partner, lording it over with 13 points. And si Tinedero with 12 points, and the other part of the team.
okay, for Team Iriga, we have number 8, Jock Villarmino with 15 points. AJ Perea with that patented teardrop, 14 points, and Olea with 14 points.
Ayan na, partner, ayan na ulit ang ating sorpresa sa ating magigiting ng mga mommies and nanays. Magbibigay ng mga bulaklak dahil Mother's Day po. Ayan, hatid sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Party List. And Congressman Saldico, maraming salamat. Tingnan natin yung ngiti na nakikita natin sa ating mga mommies dito. Ayan na po. Ayan ang partner talaga. Yung ating mommies talaga. Ayan, lalapitan po tayo ng ating mga Ako Bicol representative to give you flowers as a thank you sa sacrifices and love that has given. Ayan po. Ayan po, ayan.
So, happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga mama, nagpapakamama.
Tama. Especially dito sinabi mo na tatay na
Na
nagiging
naging
nanay
nanay.
na also. Kudos to them. Ayan na. Seen happy faces talaga pag binibigyan natin ng mga bulaklak ang ating mga magulang. So maraming salamat po sa panonood at pagsuporta dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Consi Millan Moralio. Happy Mother's Day, Consi.
Yes po, happy Mother's Day talaga, Konsi. And maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagtanggap dito sa ating Iriga Sports Complex.
Yes, salamat to Mayor Rex Oliva and the rest of the officials here in Iriga. Again po, Happy Mother's Day and you're very much welcome here sa Iriga City Sports Complex. Pa second half pa lang po, may maaabutan pa kayo. So this is a very exciting ball game. Kasi hindi nakakalayo yung Team Iriga sa Team Baaw. So tingnan natin ang magiging resulta coming in this second half. So but for now, nakikita nyo po on your screen are the mothers from Iriga City. So that's bigay po yan ng Ako Bicol. Yung mga flowers na yan. Happy Mother's Day po.
Ayan, partner. Ang ating part of the security ata yan. Tama, partner.
Civil security unit natin dito sa Iriga.
Ayan na, partner. Again, we are anticipating a good quality second half for sure. Kasi alam naman natin na medyo siguro nag-gas up lang yung Team Baaw because of the, alam mo naman, sobrang lalim na bench ng Team Iriga. So, ayun, we will expect a good quality second half, partner.
So yun nga, partner, sabi mo nga deep bench, kahit naman sinong bunutin natin doon sa Team Iriga siguro talaga magpe-perform. For Team Baaw naman siguro expect them to, dapat they will play as a team to beat this Iriga, a powerhouse team of Iriga.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo, dahil may ikamalilinwan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang diki sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And we are back sa ating third quarter, labanang Baaw versus Iriga. Very exciting first half, partner, ang nangyari sa ating laro.
Yes, partner. So, yun na nga sabi natin kanina sa mga late viewers natin. Nalamangan po ang Iriga noong first quarter and second quarter. So, titingnan po natin kung ano magiging adjustments itong Team Iriga going to the second half and kung ano din magiging adjustments itong Baaw para makahabol sila ulit.
Yes, partner, kung hindi kayo makakapunta sa ating game venue, meron tayong mga social media platforms. Talagang pwede natin manood ang ating laro doon live sa Ako Bicol Online TV, sa Representative Saldico page. Meron tayong YouTube channel. And yung sinasabi mo, partner, na TikTok, meron na rin tayo. So, yan, pwede tayong manood doon. And ayan na, si Cruz again, drops it up to Jason Orada for the first 2 points ng ating second half. And partner, talagang siguro, ayan na si Taugan. I guess Taugan should step up talaga. Lalong-lalo na sa scoring load para sa Baaw kasi alam naman natin na kulang ang scoring nila. And narinig ako pero andyan pa rin ang very steady na center na si Andre Rito.
Yes, partner. So yun, ngayon yung facing nila is very composed na both teams. So tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nitong Baaw.
And a partner, si Cruz gives the ball in the middle kay Raton against Rito. Rito defended well. Ayan na si Perea, 4-3. No good, rebound by Soriano. Outlets to Taugan. Taugan flies, scores 4-2. Ayan na partner. Narinig nata tayo.
Narinig ka, partner. Sabi mo kailangan niya mag-step up ngayong second half. So ayan na, ginagawa na ni Taugan kung yung talagang dapat niyang gawin in this ball game.
Ayan na partner. Ang patuloy na nananalasang si AJ Perea na patuloy ginagawa ang kanilang paboritong floater. And lalong-lalo nakakasakit sa Team Baaw. Ayan na si Taugan again. Taugan with a crossover. What a play, partner. Kaso ayan na naman, partner, si Rito. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Cruz. Defended well by Napay. Cruz, umaatake. Medium range, Mentis, Napay. Again. Taugan with a crossover. Taugan attacking the defense. Taugan bumps Cruz. Taugan attacks. Nakakuha ng foul, partner. Yung partner, narinig talaga tayo ni Kenneth Taugan is being aggressive as early as third quarter, partner.
So masasabi na natin Kenneth Taugan is now taking over this third quarter.
Yes, tama.
So, talagang sinisiksik niya yung sarili niya dyan sa paint to fish that foul.
Yes, pero yun na nga, bad sign. Missing the first free throw. Pero partner, credit pa rin to this guy for attacking the basket strongly.
Yeah, knowing this Air Taugan, hindi siya talaga titigil hanggat hindi pa tapos itong larong ito.
And partner makes the second one. Ayan na, the score is 51-63 in favor of Team Iriga. And alam na natin, this game is brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List, headed by our congressman, butiing congressman, Representative Saldico. And syempre, katabang na, kasurog pa. And we have a report galing sa ating courtside reporter.
So we have a report. Cassandra Paso, kasama niya ngayon ang ating butihing counselor na si Council Melnan Moralio.
Thank you, coaches. You know what? Today is a very special day because we are celebrating a day to show our appreciation to all the persons who give us life and filled it with lots of care and love. It's Mother's Day special, kaya naman ngayon may makakasama tayong live audience na sumusuporta at nanunood sa atin dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Magandang gabi po, Councilor Melnan ng Iriga City. Magandang gabi po.
Good evening po sa inyo.
Ayan, Council, kumusta po kayo at paano nyo po ba celebrate ang Mother's Day today?
So, bago ko muna sagutin, Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mothers na nanonood sa amang sulok ng buong Camarines Sur. So, yun. So, nag-celebrate lang ako with my son and my family, of course. Siguro konting snacks lang kanina dun sa bahay. And then after, pumunta na dito because obligasyon na pumunta dito sa para masuportahan din ng Team Iriga.
Ayan, Council, may message po ba kayo o gustong ibahagi sa ating fellow mothers out there?
Siguro ang message ko lang is patuloy natin patubayan ang ating mga anak, of course, and then with the proper guidance. And siguro i-instill natin sa mga bata na kailangan pa din na magkaroon ng oras ang mga magulang at ang bata, even though masyadong hectic ang schedule ng mga bata ngayon since meron ng yung classes, regular classes na sila, but still we have to find time. Even kaming mga public servants, kaming bilang isang magulang, I always find time to be with my son at all times kasi importante na magabayan ko siya all the way. Yeah.
Thank you very much po, Counselor. And once again, Happy Mother's Day po. Ayan, that's the latest update from the courtside. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Cassandra. Interview with Buting Konsi natin. Maraming salamat po and Happy Mother's Day ulit sa lahat ng mommies out there, especially nandito sa ating mga venues.
Yes, partner. So, nakita natin doon habang ini-interview si Councilor Milnar. Grabe na naman yung pinakita ni Air Taugan sa atin doon with a alley-oop play.
Yes, partner. Ayan na, partner. Talagang muntik na ako mapatayo sa aking kinauupuan doon sa alley-oop na galing kay Napay papunta kay Air Taugan. Ayan, partner, the score is 59-70. Pabor sa mga nakaputi. Ayan na si Napay again. Napay loses the ball. But possession arrow mapupunta pa rin sa mga naka-orange.
Yan, partner. So, nakikita natin now Team Iriga is on a man-to-man defense. So, piniprevent na ni Coach Ray siguro na mag-run pa tong Baaw.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na, partner. Talagang grabe si Taugan. Heavily guarded na ni AJ Perea. Ang laking guard kontra kay Taugan. Because alam naman natin, ayan na. Si Raton attacking the defense. In and out yung tira. Nakakuha ni Soriano. Soriano behind the back dribble. Ayan na si Soriano. Ginugulo ni Dagi Olea. Gives the ball to Napay. Napay hesitates with a lefty layup using the glass. Mintis yan. Ayan na. Dagi Olea for 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Tenedero. Tenedero with a crossover. Ayan na naman. Tenedero nabitawan ng bola. Gives the ball to Soriano. And to Rito. And 1 plus the foul, partner. A very useless foul on AJ Perea that time, coach.
Yes, partner. Hindi niya na kailangan gawin yun. Talagang pataas na si Rito doon.
Yes.
Wala na siyang magagawa.
Ayan, partner. Almost nasa ring na, partner. Yun na nga, partner. Almost nakashoot na nga. And binigyan niya pa ng konti. And that 3-point play is brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands.
Yes, partner. So, this is a lucky break for Team Baaw.
Yes, partner.
So, sana lumalayo na yung Iriga. With that play, unti-unti na namang lumalapit ang Team Baaw.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga, that is not a good sign on the part of a veteran kagaya ni AJ Perea. But still, it's a 10-point lead. Pabor pa rin sa mga taga-Iriga.
Yes, partner.
And partner, with 4 minutes and 54 seconds remaining, a substitution. Ayan na, pinasok si Ambert Hermoso. Ayan na, Ambert with a good pass kay Praton but misses the shot. Sayang nun, partner. Ayan na si Soriano, outlets to Napay. Napay stops, fakes, fake again. Napay for 3, in and out. Sayang nun, partner. Ayan na si Jock Villarmino against Napay. Ginugulo ni Atanasio. Ayan na si Raton, challenge by Rito. Mintis yan. Orada with offensive rebound. Kinaldag at sinapal ni Tenedoro. And partner, sabi ni Tenedoro, not in my house, partner.
Magandang help side yun, partner, coming
Tama.
from Tenedoro. Nasa weak side niya, alam niyang kakaldagin yung kasama niya si Jopet Soriano. So, good help side from Tenedoro.
Tama, kita na natin talagang kakaldagin. And talagang good effort by kay Tenedoro na tumulong at isa palang tira
Yes.
ni Jason Orada. Ayan na, Jock Villarmino against Atanasio. Inatake si Rito, nabitawan ng bola. Ayan na, Ambert again for 3. No good. Nakakuha ni Raton ang bola. Raton. Pocket pass kay Orada. Ayan na sinapay. 2-on-1. Yeah. Ayan na Atanasio. Attacking AJ Perea for 2. Partner, medyo may adjustments tayo. 2 speedsters na ang pinasok for Team Baaw para tapatan ang Villarmino. Hermoso tandem. Ayan na. Orada misses the shot. Tenedoro with the rebound. Ayan na. With 9 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Mintis yan. Soriano again grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Napay. Crossing the half-court line against Jock Villarmino. Napay, may pick. Binigay kay Soriano. Rito again, one-on-one against si Skuya. Jason Orada. Ayan na, Rito. Pounding, dribbling, spinning, fake, up and under. No good. Ayan na, partner, si AJ Perea. With the layup, Mintis. Grabe, partner. fatigue is starting to pile up para kay Tenedoro. Kaya partner, hindi na siya slowly.
Yes, partner.
Walking na lang siguro kasi tingnan mo naman yung nagpapalit-palitan sa kanya na big man ng Iriga.
Grabe. Na tatlong big man partner ang nagpapalit-palitan sa kanya. So siguro inaabot na din siya ng fatigue. But partner, good thing is nagkakaroon ng mini run ang Baaw ngayon.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan with the likes of Atanasio taking his 3. Lalo-lalo na ito Sinapay na talagang kanina pa na tumitira ng 3 points. Ayan na. Again, a turnover. And again, Bellarmino all alone for 2. Good defense, partner, on the part of Team Iriga.
Yes, partner. So, nagre-reklamo doon, partner, si Napay na hindi tinawagan yung last play na yon.
Partner.
So, pero, ayan nga sabi natin, hanggat walang call, habulin natin yan, transition defense pa rin.
Ayan, partner, yung sabi nating foul kanina na end one opportunity para kay Andre Rito. Ayan, partner, kitang-kita talaga na may foul ay tinawag kay AJ Perea. Ayan na, partner, yung weak side help, partner.
Yes, partner.
na
Nakita
sinasabi.
niya talaga kanina. Tiningnan niya. So, good help coming from Tenedoro.
Ayan na ang Spitfire guard na si Jock Bellarmino. And we are back sa ating ball game with 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Good quality third quarter, partner. 64-74 in favor of Iriga City.
Yes, partner. Pero wag nating anuhin yung Baaw din kasi they're in the ball game. 10-point lead lang yan, partner. Madaling habulin yan.
Tama ka, partner. Very manageable. Ayan na, medyo meron tayong coming off the bench. Si Vinculado, who gives a spark din kanina nung pinasok siya nung second quarter. As Vinculado crosses over Jock Bellarmino. Yan ang, partner, sinasabi ko, instant offense on the part of Vinculado when he is inside the court.
Yes, partner. And
Mahaba
also,
din, partner, mahaba.
Yes, partner. This Vinculado also is again, I think from Shepherdville Rams, partner. Naglalaro din to doon.
Kita mo, partner, pero sabi ni Dagi Olea, this is my house. And I will shoot the lights out kung kailan ko gusto. And that 3 points is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. And Rito again, aiming for 3. Give and go play. Nabitawan lang ni Rito, sayang. Dagi Olea, outlets to Jock Bellarmino, intercepted by Vinculado. Jock Bellarmino powering his way. And the basket will count again, coach?
Not counted.
Not counted pala, partner. So the ball will remain to Team Iriga with 17 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock and 2 minutes sa ating third quarter. Dagi Ule again, swings the ball to Jock Bellarmino for 3. Misses the shot, sayang ng partner. Pero yun ang partner, a good defense in the part of challenging the shot of Jock Bellarmino.
Yes, partner. So yun ang magandang gawin din itong Team Baaw. Play well in defense so they could run in offense.
Yes, partner, batiin ko lang aking kapatid ng ating commissioner and part of the committee. Part ng utak ng Cubicol Cup Camarines Sur, isa sa mga utak ang aking bossing na si Ino Rivera. Magandang gabi, boss. Boss, Bicol ka na? And partner, and syempre, ayan na, partner, ang medium range si Soriano.
So yan ang magandang gawin. Kumukonekta na now. They have to stop this.
And partner, meron tayong malfunction sa ating game clock. Sa ating scoreboard, partner. Meron tayong technical timeout. Again, the score is 68-77. This is just a 9-point lead, partner.
Yes, this is very manageable, partner. Na yun nga, kagandahan nito for Team Baaw, may isa pa tayong quarter.
Yes, partner. And partner talaga, we are not used to seeing this kind of ball game na 9-point lead lang ang lamang ng Iriga. Nasa third quarter tayo.
Yes, partner. For Iriga team, they are used to have 20-point lead, 30-point lead. But right now, itong Team Baaw talagang sabi natin pumapalag. Pumapalag kahit powerhouse.
Tama, partner, talagang pumapalag at pumapalag. Kaya yun, ayun naman, kumbaga alam naman natin kasi talaga, once you are underdog team, talagang yung aim mo is lumaban ng lumaban.
Yes, partner. Yun ang kagandahan doon. And this Baaw team is a very young team. So, dapat i-capitalize nila yan, being young, going with those guys, the more experience sa kanila. Kumbaga, sabi nga ni sa taga Bicol, dakulang orgulyo
Tama.
na makaharap nila yung mga kuyas
kuya nila.
Mga,
Yes, talaga. Dakulang orgulyo talaga ang makahampang ang sindang mga kuyas
yes,
dito.
partner.
Kumbaga yung mga kuyas dito sa Camarines Sur talaga na talagang very experienced talaga.
Yung sabi nga nung ibang player, yung iba ditong player, pinapanood na lang namin ngayon. Makakalaban na
Yes,
namin,
partner.
makakalaro na namin.
Tama, medyo magandang ano yan. Magandang motivation yan, partner, kasi
Yes.
dati ina-idolize mo si ganito, si ganyan. And now you are again up against those kuyas talaga. And minsan talaga nakakaisa pa sila.
Yes.
Especially to si Rito talaga. Na medyo naiisa ng kanyang kuya na si Jason Orada.
Yes, so,
And
that is a moral booster for these young kids playing here in AKB.
tama talaga. Talagang maraming salamat kay Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. As you take a look, some highlights nung ayan, yung Eye in the Sky play ni Napay to Taugan connection. Grabe, partner, napapatayo ako every time nalilipad si Air Taugan. Ayan naman, partner, yung talagang very steady na si Raton pag nasa inside the paint na.
Yeah, so yan, si Raton is a very basic player. So kung sa tingin mo pag gumalaw siya parang hindi papasok ang tira pero pumapasok.
Meron din ganun ako nakitang player on the part of Pili. Si Buena Obra ba yun?
Yes.
One of the talagang I covered his games talaga, partner. He is diving for the loose balls, 50-50 balls na doon. Talagang he is crashing the boards. And yun nga, partner. Tingnan natin yung mga highlights at abangan natin kung anong mga susunod sa ating mga laro and magbabalik po kami. And yeah, partner, we are back to our third quarter with 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining. And partner, kumbaga tama ka, medyo nagkaroon tayo ng interruption. Tingnan natin kung anong momentum magsishift ang karaang. Ayan na, partner. New guy for Team Baaw committed a foul. Si Consulta na foul si Ambert Hermoso while he is passing para sana sa pick and roll.
Yes, partner. So, medyo too much aggressive naman doon si Consulta.
Pero partner, Consulta is also a big guy. Tingnan mo naman, coming
Yes.
off the bench. So talagang, this Baaw team has a future pagdating dito sa Camarines Sur. Ayan na, si Tenedero strips the ball. Jock Bellarmino again for 3. Kabom! Grabe, partner. Grabe yung mga baskets ni Jock. Very timely talaga, partner. Pag umahabol na yung Baaw, pupukol siya. And ayan na, What a spin by Consulta, partner. Grabe ganda nun, kaso mintis lang.
Gandang
Ayan ang
galaw sana.
Ambert Hermoso. Sinupalpal ni Vinculado pero nakakuha ng foul. Yun naman, partner, ang binabayaran sa isang Ambert Hermoso. Finishing the fast break. Alam niya na yung gagawin niya kahit may mga defenders na taller than him.
Yes, partner. So, ito si Ambert, very experienced point guard kasi ito. So, I think, nung mga high school days, ang kabantayan nito sila Kiefer Rabena sa nag-Adamson to, partner eh.
Ay, yun naman pala. Kaya talaga very, very talaga talented itong point guard na to. Ayan na si Ambert Hermoso, sinks the free throw. Kita mo, partner, isang karangalan makalaro ang isang phenom na Kiefer Rabena talaga. And siguro yung experience and opportunity na dala niya dito sa Camarines Sur.
Yes,
And in the long run, we will teach kids talaga naman when it comes to playing basketball. Ayan na, 2 for 2 on the part of Ambert. Ayan na, medyo lumulobo ulit ang kalamangan. Ayan na si Ambert. Muntik ng maagaw ang bola. Pero grabe, good hustle on the part of Ambert Hermoso. Muntik ng maagaw ang bola kay Atanasio. Atanasio again against Ambert Hermoso. Atanasio. Yun na, sabi niya, partner, kanina mo ba ako naisahan? Atakihin din kita. Nakakita ng slight advantage sa medyo konting height.
Yes. So, isa din to si Onyok Atanasio. Isa din sa mga elite point guards ngayon dito sa Rinconada.
Yes, partner. Ito yung nakakatakot. Onyok Atanasio pala. Baka bigla na lang itong magsuot ng gloves. Ayun na. Makes his first free throw. Ayun na. I've noticed maganda ang release ng kanyang tira, and during warm-ups napaaga siya talagang shooting the lights out during the warm-ups. Tingnan natin kung madadala niya dito sa ating laro. Ayan na, 2 for 2 on the part of Atanasio. Ayan na, may pressure defense na ina-apply ang mga taga-Baaw. Ayan na si Ambert. Rushing Ambert against Atanasio. Naisa na naman. Grabe, partner, ang labanan ng dalawang point guard na to. Atanasio and Ambert Hermoso.
Magandang matchup to ngayon, partner. Going to this end of the third quarter.
Kaya sabi ng dalawa, puro lang kayo nakafocus sa mga bigs, partner. Nandito rin kami.
Kami naman ngayon.
Kami naman ngayon. Ayan na si Ambert again. Making his first free throw, partner. Very steady and calm. Itong point guard na ito. Ayan na si Ambert. 2 for 2 again. Again, fourth straight points on the part of Ambert Hermoso. Ayan na si Soriano against Raton. Soriano with a hesitation. Pull up. Grabe, partner.
Grabe yung confidence. Alam, may tao sa harapan talaga.
Partner, over the outstretched arms ni Raton yun, Eh, nagulat din si Raton talagang. Ayan na. Hermoso wants to beat the buzzer. Ayan na. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ika-count ang tira ni Orada.
I think they will review that.
Yes, I will review. Save muna natin bago tayo magbitaw para sa ating mga viewers.
Yes, partner.
And again, what an exciting third quarter, partner. Palitan ng puntos. And syempre, nag-stand out dito si Jock Villarmino. And no count. Yan, partner. Tama, no count. Says ng ating mga game officials. And the score is 73-84. Pabor pa rin sa Team Iriga.
Okay. So, pabor pa rin, partner, sa Team Iriga. But right now, 11-point lead lang yan, partner. Sabi mo nga kanina, hindi sanay ang Iriga sa ganyang lead. Ang Iriga sanay sa 20-30 point lead.
Partner, as third quarter ends talaga yung mga previous games na na-cover ko, lamang ng 30-40 points ang Iriga. But now, siyempre, hindi natin pwedeng i-count out ang Baaw for giving Iriga a good fight ngayong gabing ito.
So, kudos to this team, Baaw, for showcasing great game tonight. So, tingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments nila this coming fourth quarter. Baka kahabol ba or tuluyan ng aalagwa ang Team Iriga?
Yun nga, partner, ang tanong. It's going to be aalagwa ba o hahabol na ang mga taga-Baaw? Pero tingnan natin, partner, kasi for our late tuners, partner, kung kakatune in lang sa ating mga Facebook pages, ang Baaw donning the orange jerseys and yung taga-Iriga, yung white and blue jerseys, partner.
Yes, partner. So, ayan, again, pwede pa po kayong humabol.
Yes,
may fourth quarter pa tayo.
Yes,
pero kung hindi na kaya, may mga social media platforms tayo para dun kayo manood.
Tama, partner. And then, completing the 5 for Bao, Esconsulta, Vinculado, Taugan, Atanasio, and Soriano. And on the part of Iriga,
So we have Jason Raton, we have Ambert Hermoso, Jason Orada, we have Dagi, the Dagger Olea, and this guy, very timely lagi ang basket, Jock Villarmino.
tama ka dyan, partner. Very, very timely talaga yung mga 3 points sa binitawan. Ayan na si Orada, spins against Unsulta. Ayon, partner, grabe na naman yung banggaan, partner. Kita mo talaga, partner, every possession na binibigay kay Orada talagang pinapound niya, and yung mga leading scorers natin para sa Bao, si Rito with whopping 20 points, si Taugan and 14 points na.
Okay, and for Iriga, we have Oleo, 14 points. And this guy, Villarmino, with 23 points na partner.
Kita mo, partner, 23 pero tahimik lang, partner.
Tahimik lang. Si Jock, tahimik lang.
Si Jock, tahimik lang pero effective. And then, yun na nga, partner, a turnover is forced ng mga taga-Baaw. Ayan na, Taugan, binababa ang bola against the veteran Dagi Olea. Ayan na si Rito, humihingi ng pick. Ayan na Taugan. Taugan, naunahan si Dagi Olea with a Pinoy step. And the reverse. Grabe yun, partner.
Gandang Hesi, gandang Pinoy step, resulting to that basket for Air Taugan.
Napeke doon si Olea. Ayan na, speaking of peke, napeke, and speaking of timely shots, ayan na naman, ang very steady point guard na si Jock Villarmino, rescuing Iriga for a 2 points.
So tingnan naman natin ngayon ang gagawin ni Taugan dito.
Ayan na si Taugan, may pick na hinihingi kay Soriano. Ayan na si Taugan, attacking against Raton, skies, flies, no good. Ayan na Dagi Olea, nagdadala ng bola. Dagi to Jock Villarmino for 2. Sayang nun, partner. Medyo a case of one-on-one offense. And I guess on my part, the ball should go to Rito first at the post and challenge the defense. And then kick out. Yun naman siguro ang nakikita kong magandang-ganda kasi on the part of Taugan, medyo malaki ang defender niya over Dagi Olea.
Yes, partner. So, ang ginagawa ng Iriga kay Taugan, they are putting big guy. And yung nag-i-screen, pag nakalusot siya, malaki pa rin yung makakasalubong niya. And ang maganda dito kay Taugan kasi nakukuha niya na yung defender niya. May mga open shooter siya sa corner. Siguro i-kick out niya na muna. So, kung wala, wag niyang pilitin. So, kaya nagre-result sa ganung mga fast break situation.
And again, partner, medyo hindi na natin nakikita. On the bench, si Napay na ipasok agad. Medyo, and si Tenedoro, partner, talagang, starting the fourth quarter, wala siya.
Yes,
I guess may iniinda kasi, partner, medyo di natin alam kung anong reason kung bakit hindi pinapasok ngayong fourth quarter. Ayan na si Atanasio against the pesky Ambert Hermoso. Ayan na Atanasio. Ayan na, partner, hands it off to Vinculado. Vinculado spins, binangga with the up and under. Gandang dukot yun. Malamarlo Aquino yun, partner, of the kilikili shot. Ayan na, partner, the score is 77-88. Lamang pa rin ang Iriga City with 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Ayan na, Orada, ginugulo yung Taugan. Ayan na, Orada with a 2-man game. And again, and 1 plus the foul, partner. Jock Villarmino is taking the fourth quarter over.
Yes, partner. So, if I'm not mistaken, you said a while ago, partner, that si Jason Orada naglaro din sa AK Biligaw. And I think si Jock Villarmino is nandun din.
Tama, yun ang 1-2 punch niya doon. Yun ang kasama niya doon. Talagang alam na ang laro ng bawat isa. Tama ka doon, partner. O, nakalimutan ko na si Jock is also part of Ligao City team in the Cubicol Cup Albay leg.
So talagang kilalang nila ang bawat isa, partner, when it comes to this end game.
Oh, what a turnover. And there is a partner, Soriano. Ayan na si Rito. Rito against Orada. Soriano. 4-3. Irons it. Ayan na, Villarmino with the lob pass. Hermoso, tiningnan pa, lumayap, mintis yan. Ayan na, partner, Atanasio. Nagmamadali, Atanasio gives the ball to Taugan for 2. And ayan na partner. Meron tayong offensive foul na itinawag sa ating center na si Jason Orada. And meron tayong mga kaibigan dito bagong dating. Kaway-kaway naman tayo dyan, mga fans natin dyan na nanonood, especially nandito sa left side na ating venue. Magandang gabi sa inyo, ma'am and sir.
Yes, partner. So, ang kagandahan ngayon, partner, again, in the ball game pa rin ang Baaw naman with this lead of Team Iriga.
Ayan na si Taugan against Jock Bellarmino. Kanina pa tong matchup na to. Ayan na. Taugan capitalizing yung height advantage niya over Jock Bellarmino.
Ayan, partner, unti-unting lumalapit. 10-point lead again
Yes, partner, tama ka.
for Team Iriga.
It's just a manageable 10-point lead. Pero yan na 2-man game. Rito, sinabayan. Si Orada, mintis yan. Nakuha ni Vinculado ang rebound. Ayan na, gives the ball to Taugan. Taugan slowly crossing the half-court line. Hands it off to Atanasio with the crossover. Atanasio, may bagong player na pinasok si coach, si Tres Reyes, para guluhin ang opensa ni Atanasio. Ayan na, behind the back dribble ni AJ Perea. With 16 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock and 6 minutes and 20 seconds sa ating game clock. Ayan na again. Fall away kay Jason Orada. Sinks the ball for 2. Grabe, partner. Yung 2-man game ng dalawa, talagang kilalang kilala.
Yes, partner. So, very effective yung dalawa ngayon coming from this fourth quarter.
Yes, and a partner, Atanasio against the pesky guard, Tres Reyes. Atanasio, tingnan natin. May foul na itinawag kay Tres Reyes. And ayan na, partner, pinasok na si Tenedero. Siguro napagpahinga na. Linabas ang number 8 na si Vinculado. Tingnan natin kung anong may tutulong sa mga huling minuto ni Tenedero. Ayan na, Taugan bumps. AJ Perea misses the shot. Ayan na, Perea again. Perea flies, scores 4-2. Partner, grabe. Ang laking guard ni AJ Perea, partner. He stands, I guess, 6'2", 6'3". Pero tingnan mo naman, talagang lumaya pa, and that end one play is atid sa atin ng Hotel Venecia. Ayan na, partner, as you take a look yung replay, gandang layup yung partner.
Very agile talaga yung AJ Perea, partner, when it comes to open court.
Tama, partner. Kung hindi naman, pag may defender, he floats for his Malamak Cardona floater na tira.
So again, Baaw, may konting sense of urgency dapat, partner, pero they're in the ball game pa rin.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. It is a manageable lead pa rin, but still, Team Baaw has to step up or double their effort para to score and also to defend para naman mapigilan ang scoring, lalong-lalo na ng mga guards ng Iriga City.
Yes, partner.
Ayan na si AJ Perea with his bonus free throw. Misses the shot. Ayan na, may bago tayong player. Number 13 para sa Baaw. Si Trinidad. Gives the ball to Tenedero. Kaso turnover. Ayan na si Jason Orada. Humawak sa kanyang ulo. Ayan na si Tenedero. Tenedero binangga si Raton. But he will not complete the 3-point play, pero he will drop to the line for 2. That is a last sequence yung kay Orada. Medyo case of bad fall kanina. Medyo delikado.
Medyo delikadong fall yun, partner.
Kasi nakatama ang ulo niya, pero alam naman natin this guy is very strong, kaya pinagpag lang niya. And ayun, nagpapalit. Dahil siguro medyo nasaktan. And ayan na. Meron tayong warning for technical, resentment to a call daw. And ayun, partner, the score is 81-95. Lamang pa rin ang mga nakaputi, which is the Team Iriga City. And now, Tenedero will complete his second free throw and makes the second free throw.
Very composed, partner.
Oo, partner, kasi nakapagpahinga pero di natin alam kung bakit naging limited yung minutes niya come the first part of the fourth quarter. Ayan na si AJ Perea against Lito. This is going to be a mismatch, I guess. Ayan na, sabi ko na nga ba, this is a mismatch talaga, partner. Yung speed and yung height din ni Perea over Andre Rito is very evident dun, partner, kasi alam mo na, nag-design ng play si Coach Ray na talagang one-on-one against sa ibabaw, pero talagang yun na nga, capitalizing is AJ Perea.
Yes, partner. So, yun ang ano doon. Yung switch, partner, dapat ano ba yung gagawin nila sa screen na yan? They will go under or over.
Yun, partner. Yun, partner, medyo nalilito ako dyan sa mga over-under na yan. Paano ba yan, Coach? When it comes to may mga shooters na kagaya nun, kailangan
so for mga ganyang fighting the screen, no, for Dagi Olea kasi shooter, dapat dyan you go over.
Tama.
So follow mo lang siya, and then may ano ka dapat, may hard show ka para mailabas mo siya. For a quick drive naman, open up, pwede na yan.
Yun na nga, speaking of drive, open up, ayan, si Jock Bellarmino again, talagang nananalasa, and na-foul ni Trinidad. Yun na nga, partner. Sayang na opportunity, but this is just a 14-point lead, partner. Very evident, kayang-kaya pa.
Yes, partner, with this kind of in this kind of situation, kayang-kaya pa yan.
And ayan na, si Jock Bellarmino. May misses the first one. And yun again, para sa ating mga late tuners, ang mga taga-Team Iriga donning the white and blue shorts and Sambao. And the orange one, ayan na, misses the second one. Tenedero with the offensive rebound. Ayan na, Sinapay inserted again in the lineup of Team Bauer. Soriano against AJ Perea. Backcut, sayang, partner, yung backdoor hindi na hawakan masyado ni Taugan yung bola. Ayan na, si Perea, ginugulo ni Taugan. Olea gathers, collects himself for 3. Misses the shot. Perea grabs the board and wisely waiting for his teammates, and tamang obas. Tres Reyes for 3. Air ball. Sayang, ayan na si Napay. Rushing. Napay gives the ball to Taugan. Taugan with a medium range number. Pasok yan. With 20-point lead and under 3 minutes remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Ayan na si Tres Reyes attacking the defense but blocked by Tenedero, partner. Grabe naman yun, partner.
Grabe yun. Talagang gustong i-challenge si Gio Tres Reyes, itong guest player ng Baaw, pero
ayan, partner, lumagpas siya kay Taugan, pero nandun si Tenedero, partner. Again, abangan natin yan sa ating top 10 plays of the week for sure. Ayan na. Raton against Soriano. Fakes. Naagaw ni Consulta. Ayan na si Consulta rushing. Consulta gives the ball to Taugan. Taugan attacking number 21. A new guy from Iriga, si Tino Rodolfo. Pinasok, ayan na si Napay with the side step 3. Kaboom! And partner, ito, sinasabi ko sa inyo, ang 3 points na yan, atid sa'yo ng Highlands Legazpi. This is just a 9-point lead, partner. Very manageable.
yes, partner. So, kailangan dito makastop ang Baaw, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na AJ Perea again, capitalizing on the mismatches na ina-apply sa kanya ng Team Baaw. Ayan na Sinapay again against Tres Reyes. Napay rushing with the right hand layup and he scores for 2. Ayan, partner, 19-99 with 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Ayan na, partner, Dagi Olea lobs it up to Tino Reyes. Ayan, walang foul na itinawag. Ayan na, Tres Reyes open for 3. No good, pero nakuha ni Dagi. Dagi for 3. No good again. Ayan na, may foul si Tres Reyes. Ayan na, partner. This is just a 9-point lead with 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining.
Sabi nga, partner, 3-possession ball game lang to,
Yes,
partner.
tama ka, partner.
Pero sana yung Iriga kanina with that 2 possession, dapat di nila minadali.
Yes, tama, partner. Bad shot on the part of Dagi Olea. Kasi alam naman natin, the time is on their side.
Yes.
So, kailangan nating gamitin para naman pumupor sa atin. Ayan, si Napay gives the ball to Soriano. Ayan, Napay humihingi ng isolation against Hermoso. Ayan na, Taugan again, flies, hops, and scores for 2. Ayan na, this is just a 7-point lead, partner, with 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Kapit tayo, mga kaibigan.
Kapit for Rinconada.
Ayon, partner, another turnover on the part of Iriga, partner. Ayan na, partner. Kumbaga, this is unusual, partner, na come fourth quarter and then a timeout for Coach Ray, partner.
Yun nga partner, tinatanong natin kanina yung technical problem, yung momentum kanino mapapanig.
Yes, partner, yun.
Sa ngayon, medyo sa baaw yan.
So, nasagot na yun na, sa baaw talaga pumapabor yung technical problem kanina. And then, kaya naman si Coach Ray talaga napatawag kagad ng timeout because of the turnover na nangyari kanina para sa Team Iriga.
It's just 7-point lead and we have that kind of foul pa kay Ambert Hermoso. So pagbalik, they have the opportunity to cut the lead into 4 or maybe 5, partner.
Yes, partner. With a 3. Tama, partner. Alam mo naman natin, very deadly itong sinapay sa outside shooting and meron din panakanakang tira sa labas si Taugan and expect siyempre ang bigay na guest player ng Baaw na si Soriano to take those timely 3-point shots.
Yes, partner. And also, mayroon pa silang isa in the lights of Tinidoro, partner, sa ilalim.
Tama. Yun na nga si Tinidoro. Ayan na naman sinapay. Humihingi ng isolation kay Ambert. Ayan na. What a behind the back dribble. Ayan na sinapay. Natapik. Nakuha nit. Ayan na si Taugan. Taugan for 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na yung rebound ni Raton. Binigay kay AJ. Ayan na si Dagi Olea gives the ball to AJ Perea. We are now under 1 minute remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Dagi Olea may pick galing kay Raton. Dagi is all alone. Ako, wag niyong ibibitawan si Dagi kasi he has a strict shooter. Ayan na si Dagi with the crossover. Dagi fakes with 2 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. AJ Perea and naputukan ng 24-second shot clock. Good defense on the part of Team Baaw.
Yan yung partner, yung magandang gawin nila with this time. So, hello, sorry.
And yun na nga, partner, with 1 minute and 27 seconds remaining, lamang ng 7 lang ang Team Iriga.
Yes, partner. So, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng execution ng Team Baaw ngayon dito.
And what a defense on the part of Ambert Hermoso talaga, partner. Grabe yun, partner. Talagang kinulit niya, kinulit sinapay. Ayan na, partner. Jason Orada against Tinidoro. Nakuha ni Napay. Napay para sa streaking si Tinidoro for the layup. 4-2. Ayan na. We have a 5-point lead, partner. Ayan na. Op. Nada pa. Ayan na si Dagi Olea. Corner 3. Fakes. Waiting for his teammates. Ayan na. Ambert, binigay kay Perea. Perea with fake, up and under. Dagi Olea for 3. Partner, bang! And I guess that is the nail in the coffin, partner.
Yes,
para sa larong ito. Grabe, partner, yung pinitawang tira. Pero ayan na si Soriano. Misses the shot. Yan, tama, partner. That is the nail in the coffin for Dagi Olea, partner. Kumbaga, pinakaba, partner, yung Team Iriga. Ayan na again si Dagi. Misses his 3-point shot pero nakuha pa rin ng Iriga ang bola. And I guess it's safe to say na this will be Iriga basketball. And siyempre kudos pa rin sa Team Baaw for giving Iriga a good fight talaga ngayong gabing ito.
Yes, partner. That's a dagger from Dagi Olea.
Yes, partner. Yes, partner. That, ladies and gentlemen, ends the game between Baaw and Iriga, partner. Grabe, partner. What a game, partner. Thoughts, coach, on the set game?
Okay. Partner, wala akong ibang masabi. Kudos to Team Baaw for giving Iriga a great game, partner. This is, sabi nga natin, ito yung medyo nakalapit dito sa larong ito na team sa powerhouse na Iriga City. So, kudos to this Baaw team and for Team Iriga, congratulations for winning this game.
Tama ka, partner. Hindi medyo talagang nakalapit, partner. Yes. Talagang lumamang pa kanina. And talaga, pero kudos pa rin. And congratulations, special mention sa mga players ng Team Baaw for giving a good fight dito sa ating gabing ito.
Yes, partner. So, again, thank you very much to all the supporters of AKB Cup, Kamsur Lake. So, marami pa pong games ang matutunghayan nyo. Aside from this game na napakaganda, marami pa kaming games na na-instill sa inyo next week.
Yan mga partner, marami na. Almost patapos na tayo sa ating elimination round. Pupunta na tayo sa ating second round of all quarterfinals, partner. Doon, partner, papasok yung top 2 teams na maglalaban-laban per district, partner. Yun, partner, showcase ng mga talents yun. Napukpukan yun for sure.
Yes, partner. So makikita nyo na doon yung best of the best ng CAMSUR. So top 10 teams fighting out for the battle of the championship for the Ako Bicol Cup CAMSUR led.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Yun, partner, ang sinasabi natin. Especially yung mga highlights kanina. And meron tayong mga iniintay natin kung sino ang hihirangin kasurog best player of the ball game. Marami tayong candidates, partner.
Yes, partner. So ang dami. For this team, Iriga, we have, pwede nating sabihin, we have Dagi Olea, we have AJ Perea, also Jock Villarmino.
Yes, Jock
So,
Villarmino.
ang daming contributions din. So sabi nga natin kanina, kahit sinong bunutin natin dito sa team ng Iriga talagang magko-contribute. So titingnan natin kung sino ang kasurog player of the game.
Tama ka dyan, marami tayong candidates. And siyempre, yun na nga, special mention sa players ng especially si Tinidoro, medyo kinapos lang nung huli. And siyempre, sinabay talaga and siyempre, yung go-to guy nila na si Kenneth Taogan, talaga giving quality minutes and scores sa ating mga larong ito.
Yes, partner. So, ang gandang laro na pinakita ngayon ng Team Baaw. So, nothing to be ashamed of, partner.
Tama, partner. Kumbaga, this is a powerhouse Iriga team talaga, nothing to be ashamed of. Kumbaga, this is a learning experience na alam nila na kaya nila sa sarili nila, na kaya nila kahit sino makalaban nila.
Yes, partner. So, ayan, so makikita po natin yung ibang highlights ng game. So, while waiting for our kasurog player of the game. So, also for Team Baaw, Rito had a great game.
Partner. Rito had a great game talaga. Kumbaga, siya yung nag-spearhead sa big man and nung mga makaraang minuto. And then syempre, yung Ambert Hermoso, partner,
Yes,
grabe.
partner. Very, very composed, partner.
Very steady. Point guard, very composed. And yung backcourt talaga ng Team Iriga ang pumatay sa Team Baaw.
And also, isa pa doon is yung 1-2 punch na Orada and Villarmino kanina.
Tama, yung partner. Pero grabe talaga, partner. Oh. Tingnan mo yan, yung kanina. Lusot ni Ambert and 1 plus the foul. Partner, while waiting sa ating kasurog best player of the ball game, maraming salamat ulit sa mga nanood sa ating venue, and happy Mother's Day ulit sa aking nanay and sa aking mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi sa inyo, and yun na nga, happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga mommies out there. Maraming salamat po. And ito na, partner, bigay ko na again. The name is John Bachiller, and with Coach.
Yes, this is Coach Paul Sepe. Thank you very much po for watching.
And Cassandra, take it away.
Right here with me is the Kasurog best player of the game, Jock Bellarmino, jersey 8 from Team Iriga with 30 points and 5 rebounds. Wow, congratulations for being the Kasurog best player of the game, and congratulations also for your team for winning this match. Kanina kitang-kita naman natin na gitgitan ang labanan at talaga namang nagtatrabaho ang Team Baaw upang mahabol ang inyong score. Kaya naman, ano ba sa tingin mo ang naging advantage ng team nyo at ano ba ang naging factor ng inyong pagkakapanalo?
Sa amin lang, yung mga depensa namin, sabi ni Coach, depensa lang ang inuuna namin para maka-score po kami. Yan lang.
Ayan, we are currently live. Baka may gusto kang batiin o pasalamatan, go ahead. This is your chance.
Una-una po, nagpasalamat po ko kay Lord na binigyan po kami panalo ngayon. Happy Mother's Day po sa mga mami po. Binabati ko po yung asawa ko ngayon, si Era Lucero po. And sa Team Capitol po, sa mga teammate ko. Sa mga boss namin po, kay Boss Moon, saka kay Mayor po. Thank you po sa Arriba, Iriga. Salamat po.
Ayan, thank you very much, and once again, congratulations on behalf of Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, our Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, our Technical Head Christian Calleja, at ang mga kasama natin sa panel, Coach Paul and Coach John, and yours truly, Cassandra Seton, your courtside reporter. This is the end of our basketball match tonight. We thank you for supporting Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.